Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to repost posts and reels on Instagram. So basically this is a new feature. You need to make sure that your Instagram is updated to the latest version, unless you won't see this feature in your app. So if you want to repost a post, you need to find the post, and here near the like button, the comment button, the share button, you will see a repost button. This is two arrows, and to repost this post you need to simply click on it, and as you can see now my little icon appears and I can add a thought if I want, so my friends will see my thought and these posts in their feed. Or if you want to repost a reel, you simply need to click on the repost button in the right side of the screen just under the comment section, and as well your icon appears and you can drop an emoji, share your thought with your friends, and they will see this reel in their feed. And basically that is it. That is how you can repost a post or reel on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.